Today on Matt Makes, the audio episode. Here are some upcoming improvements to the channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing and using a lapel mic. I know that audio has been an issue, and I want to get that fixed. The microphone itself is very small, very light. It does come with instructions. I did review the instructions. They are translated from another language, but they're understandable. You do get a power cord, a little clip for your shirt. The actual microphone and the receiver are in there really firmly, but the receiver just plugs in to the port on your phone. I have an iPod or an iPhone, so it's the lightning cable and then the microphone itself. As I said with the instructions, they're enough that you can get what you need done, but it doesn't necessarily flow super smooth, but hey, it works. We get to use it. All you have to do is, apparently off camera, assemble the clip. It just slides into the bracket. Not push, slide. There we go. He got it figured out. The microphone, which the instructions call the transmitter, needs to be charged when you get it. That's what the charging cable is for. The receiver that plugs into your phone just uses your phone battery. It never needs to be charged. And just like that, we have working sound. This has got to be better than listening to me through the phone speaker from across the room. I'm also going to cut now to some B-roll footage that I voiced over with this microphone with the other piece of audio equipment that I purchased. So let's go there now. Speaking of audio, for the voiceover work, we have this desk microphone with the sound baffle. I am going to start using this when we're doing voiceover work. Right now I am on the lapel mic that I just unboxed. But so far for voiceover work, I've just been recording it by speaking into the bottom of my phone in an audio recorder app, and that's just not useful. This is going to be exciting. I've been using it at work. That's why it's tied up on work desk on Zoom calls, and everyone's loved the audio quality so far. All right, back here with me now. As you can see, two different pieces of audio, two different purposes to them. Again, looking at my previous videos, it was very clear to me that the audio needed to be updated, and that's kind of the whole purpose of this channel, is to start with nothing and see what's needed and build my way up, right? We're making things. We're making a YouTube channel together. We're growing skills. I have no problem sharing my bumps and bruises along the way. And I hope that if anyone has gone through similar things, they can offer suggestions. And before I forget, I don't think I've asked this before, but if you're getting value from this, if you could subscribe. I know when I started, we kind of meandered around, but being a good maker, I'm doing my research as I go, and I'm realizing that YouTube really wants you to focus in on a niche. So my niche is models and dioramas, and also making YouTube videos, because I haven't found anyone without polish that's doing them. I'm sure they're out there. I just haven't found them on the algorithm. And it's awesome to have someone tell you all you need is this $1,000 camera and this $900 audio boom directional microphone and these $400 light diffusers and a quick trip to the store for background equipment, or background decorations rather, and you can have a channel too. But I haven't found anyone that's just, hey, here's your iPhone, here's a stand, let's make something. And that's what I'm trying to do while developing a skill set for these models. So if you find value in this, please subscribe. If you like the gear that I'm showing, you can buy it from an affiliate link in my description. That's right down there. The affiliate program from Amazon does not cost you anymore, but it does give me a little bit of something if you buy through it, because I pointed people to the products that I'm using. Anyway, that'll be it for now. I hope you have a great rest of your day.